Hello, in front of me I've got SONY ULT Wear. In this video I'll show you how to manage services. In the beginning, go to Sony Headphones app, enter services, and now you can set up a Spotify tab for your headphones and handle quick access. Also, you can enable service link function. Some services use the headphone sensor to provide experiences tailored to your actions. You need to enable this setting to use these services. Let's go to System, and now let's go to Quick Access. Thanks to this function, you can quickly activate Handle and Spotify tab. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.